Hey, what's going on? My name is John Erickson, living and working here in Los Angeles, California. So when it comes to driving, I've been driving professionally for many years, competitively as well. So that includes stunt driving, precision driving, and just sort of vehicle driving, if you want to call it that. Sedans, SUVs, sports cars, even motorcycles. I've completed courses including the BMW Performance Precision Driving course, a multiple-day course in the Inland Empire. And I travel out to the Inland Empire often to race. I do the big track and also the small technical time trials track. So taking turns at speed, stopping quickly, accelerating, spinning out, fishtails, you name it. Driving in bad conditions, so rain, wet, snow, limited visibility, speaking through an ear prompter to understand what to do, making changes on the fly, and understanding set safety, driving safety, the safety of someone who might be with me on closed sets, open settings, congested areas, city streets. I've pretty much done it all and really enjoy it. So thanks so much.